Attention Android and Flutter developers. A critical update is coming. Google Play is introducing a new 16 KB memory page requirement. Make sure to prepare your apps now to comply before the November 2025 deadline and avoid any disruptions. Starting November 1, 2025, Google Play will enforce a crucial requirement that could block your app updates if you're not prepared. All Android apps must now support 16 KB memory page sizes on 64-bit devices. This isn't optional. It's mandatory for Play Store compliance. Don't wait until the last minute. Start making these changes now to ensure your app stays available. The shift from traditional 4 KB pages to the new 16 KB pages marks a significant change for Android apps. While the old standard worked for older devices, the new requirement enhances performance, taking advantage of increased RAM and processing power. Apps that use native libraries will need to be rebuilt to remain fully compatible with this update. By November 1, 2025, the Play Store will begin enforcing 16 KB compatibility rules. The hard deadline comes in May 2026. After that, no app updates will be accepted without 16 KB support. Compliance is non-negotiable, and Google has made it clear that meeting this requirement is essential to maintain Play Store access. To prepare your Flutter apps for the 16 KB page size, start by upgrading your toolchain, updating dependencies, and rebuilding your app. Then, test thoroughly to ensure everything works smoothly. Following these steps will make sure your apps are ready for Android 15 and beyond, keeping them fully compatible with Play Store requirements. Android devices are evolving, and larger memory pages bring noticeable performance improvements. Apps that don't adapt risk falling behind. The benefits of updating include better performance, future compatibility, and a competitive edge. By preparing early, developers can avoid last-minute scrambles and ensure a smooth, seamless user experience for their users. Google offers extensive resources to help you transition smoothly. Be sure to check the Android developers blog, official documentation, and NDK compatibility guides to ensure your app migrates successfully to the 16 KB page size without any issues. Don't wait until November 2025. Start testing and rebuilding your projects now to avoid Play Store rejections. Check compatibility, plan your updates, and stay informed with the latest Flutter and Android developments. Developers who prepare early will maintain a competitive edge and ensure their apps continue running smoothly. Embrace this update as an opportunity to optimize your applications for the next generation of Android devices. Staying compliant ensures your apps deliver peak performance and a seamless experience for all users. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more expert guidance and continuous learning.